right, Jim. Final shot to win it.
If I miss this, I have to study all through the night. Yes! Yes!
Jim. We are live.
Hey, my name's Jim, and this series tells the story of how I went from graduating university with no job, working in security just to get by, to finding my way into the world of cloud and DevOps. Not just learning it, but actually landing an internship to back it up. In this story-driven series, we deal with real clients, real problems, and real solutions. Everything is broken down into relatable, everyday ideas, so even someone with no experience can follow along and understand what's really going on. And yeah, Season 1, Episode 1 is out now. And honestly, we hope you enjoy watching this series half as much as we enjoyed designing it for you.